Are you still manually onboarding clients? What if I told you there's an easier way to make the process seamless, save time, and keep your clients happy, all with automation? In this video, I'll show you how to automate your client onboarding using GoHighLevel step by step. Let's dive in. In the left-hand menu, click on Automation and then go to Workflows. Click Create New Workflow. Start from scratch or use a pre-built template if available for client onboarding. Add a new trigger. Choose an event like New Contact Added, Form Submission, or Tag Added to automatically start the onboarding process when a new client joins. Click Add Action and choose Send Email or Send SMS. Create a personalized welcome message to introduce your business and provide initial onboarding information. After the welcome message, add a wait step, e.g., 1 day or a few hours, and then add another action to send email or send SMS to provide additional onboarding resources like video tutorials or important documents. Add an action to Add Task to assign tasks to your team members, e.g., setting up client accounts, sending contracts, etc. Add an action at the end of the onboarding workflow to Send Email or Send SMS, asking the client for feedback on the onboarding process. Before going live, test the onboarding workflow to ensure everything functions correctly. Once satisfied, toggle the Save button to make the onboarding process live and automated. And there you have it. Transform your client onboarding process with GoHighLevel's powerful automation tools. Start your 30-day free trial now and experience the efficiency of seamless onboarding. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for personalized guidance. Find all the links in the video description. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you're ready to streamline your operations and improve client satisfaction, subscribe for more insightful tips on automation. See you in the next video.